Okay boys, here we go. Now, to take everything out and put it in, it's all got to be on accessories. And the reason you do that is because this key holder won't, the guts of it won't turn. It's got to turn to accessories so that this can go all the way down, and therefore that can go all the way up into the steering column. And also, what I forgot was, because you have to have the key on accessories, you've got to have your switch, your power switch on accessories as well. Otherwise, this thing here, it won't go into the switch. So you have the key on accessories, that down, and that little raised section. There's a cutout in the steering column, as you probably know. You put that in, have your switch on accessories, and everything goes in. And this thing's got a little inside. It's got a little D-shaped. It's for when it fits over just that little flat section there of this housing when it goes in. So there it is with the brand new. Now you just watch this very lightly. I'll just put key in. Look, it's like fabulous, isn't it? Just turns. No worries at all. Take it off. Take your key out, and she's locked. And then looks like it's time. We'll nearly just check it again. Yeah, everything's fabulous, isn't it? Eh? Take the key out, and she locks. Okay. Beautiful. Look, nearly falls out. Hope it doesn't. Now, so that's it. You have your key on accessories. That way, this little fella will go all the way down. You can go all the way up. You have your lock. Get in there with your screwdriver and you unlock the steering column. That way, these prong things here will be able to go over on the top of the little U-shaped plunger that holds it down, the steering column lock. And you have your key on accessories and you have your switch on accessories. That's very important. And all I've got to do is box this up now. It's victory. I reckon the missus will have a baked dinner for me, and it's beer o'clock, boys. Good luck.